Hello, everyone. Good morning. So my name is Pedro Silva. I'm from Capgemini, and this is Catarina Rodrigues from Continental Tire Division. And we are here today to show you our project, but also our journey to Gen AI.
Thank you, Pedro. Hello, everyone. As Pedro kindly introduced me, I'm Catarina. I'm a data scientist at the AI and Data Solutions team at Continental. Thank you for joining us today. At Continental, we pride ourselves for embracing innovation as one of our principles. So when generative AI came along, we made a conscious decision to not look at it as a risk or as a challenge, but rather as an extraordinary opportunity. So for us, the question was really clear. How can we harness this new technology and transform the way we operate to work smarter and faster? We already implemented AI into multiple areas of our company. It's effectively enhancing our efficiency and our decision-making. But now with generative AI, we're looking to take a step further. So we convene, my team from AI convene a lot of colleagues from other expertise, so cybersecurity, legal, data protection, and even our colleagues from operations and business. And we try to define what success would look like in this new field. So we established rigorous criteria regarding compliance, accuracy, and reliability. And in this way, we set the stage for the development of a proof of concept project that would align with our standards and operations. So let's go how we started with this. First, we needed to define exactly what we wanted to develop. We were looking for a scalable solution that would be adaptable to multiple departments, so not just a niche application, and that would also integrate seamlessly with our tech environment. Within this, we identified that document processing was a key area looking for optimization, and the idea we chose was to extract structured information from various sets of business documents that could include PDFs, Excel sheets, presentations, etc. So we started to try play around a little bit and even reach a first results and everything, but we quickly recognized the true complexity of this task and that we would need additional resources to develop this. This is when we came to the conclusion and decided to partner with Capgemini. Their expertise was crucial to supplement our efforts in order to deploy a cloud-based and a scalable generative AI solution.
OK, so our first approach with customers was simple. We try to understand what they really want. So we focus on the business requirements, and we take two conclusions from those business requirements. First, scalability, because Continental wants something that they can grow. And second, reliability, because they want to have a system that can be trustful and the user feel confident to use. This was our first action. Second action, we try to understand the data source available and also the data that we can collect from those, because only if the data is in good shape, we can proceed. Then we have all we need, let's come to a preliminary architectural solution, OK? We study them, and together with customer, we define the technical stack that we want to use. And of course, the choice was quite obvious, was Azure, and we proceed, OK? Then, we have everything we need. Let's do a different approach, OK? So we create two different models. So we came and understand, which Azure models and service we can use to provide us the more benefit from that, OK? So we study those, we create 3 models, we test those, and when we have the tests, we focus on 4 parameters: performance, cost-wise, scalability, and also reliability. And then we come again to the customer, and together with them, we test again and again, and we define which model or which approach is the right one, OK? Then we come back to the office, we improve our solution with our technicians, and in the end, we came again to Continental and provide them a kind of final approach. They call some users to test, and they provide somehow some feedback about the interaction, OK? Then here, the process was somehow the POC is over, and I want to show a bit about our interface here. It's simple. So as you can see here, we will create a simulation, OK? So we create a simulation. We put the name of this simulation. We will upload the file, different formats. After that, the system will create a JSON, so to validate if the right, and we'll see afterwards, if is the right data on that, okay? Then we have the verification if everything matches, and we provide the result of the simulation. We are having a kind of feedback approach to each one of the users that allowed us to collect feedback, and this is a POC, as I mentioned before. Our idea is to keep growing our tool and keep collecting more data and increase the accuracy level of the feedback, okay? So basically is what we have done so far, and this is the status.
This tool alone is already streamlining processes. It impacts over 60 users, and that need to deal with 500 sets of documents per year. But not only these, it's an adaptable tool that we can now create parallel use cases and use for other departments. So with this in mind, we actually calculated a return on investment between 200 and 300%. And now we are committed to continue refining this tool based on the user feedback that we are collecting, but also on evolving needs and in creating new ones. The partnership with Capgemini was successful, so it was key not only to the development of the tool itself, but it also fostered a rich exchange of knowledges between the teams.
Yes. As Capgemini, we are very happy with the results of this project. We support customer, Continental Tire Division, to increase their GenAI footprint. We delivered something scalable and reliable, and more than that, we'll continue to work with Continental on the deployment phase of the project and the rollout phase. But I want to tell you two things about this. First, we present you here a kind of concept how a normal company, and not an IT company, can introduce GenAI on a big operation. So I think as a summary, I want to show you this concept and also ask you why you cannot do the same in each one of your companies, okay? So please be bold and try to bring GenAI to other level in each of your companies. So I'm Pedro Silva. This is Catarina. Thank you.
Thank you.